In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reorder pages in your Wix menu. This process is super straightforward and can help make your website more intuitive for visitors. So let's dive right into it. To get started, you'll want to head over to your Wix website editor. This is your main hub for making modifications to your site. If you're not already logged in, make sure to use your credentials to access your account and navigate to the website you wish to edit. Once there, you'll see a variety of options and tools to transform your site's pages and design elements. Now, with the editor open, you'll need to look for the option labeled Pages and Menu on the left-hand side of your screen. This tab is crucial because it contains the settings and options to configure the order of your pages. Once you've clicked on it, a list of the current pages within your site will be displayed. This shows the exact order they appear on your menu. To reorder these pages, simply click and hold on the page you want to move. As you're holding it, drag the page up or down the list to its desired position. Think about how you want users to navigate through your content. For example, if you have a frequently visited page or a promotion you'd like to spotlight, make sure to position it favorably near the top of your menu. Changes you make here are immediately reflected in your site's live menu, giving you the power to curate your user experience. Once you've finished dragging and dropping your pages to your satisfaction, you can close the menu editor. It's always a good idea to preview your site to ensure that everything is in order and the navigation feels smooth. Click on Preview to see how the pages will appear to your users. If anything seems off or needs another tweak, simply return to the Pages and Menu section and adjust as necessary. Finally, once everything looks just right and you're happy with the navigation flow, don't forget to hit Publish. This ensures that all your changes are saved and live for everyone to see. With just these simple steps, you've successfully reordered your pages in Wix, optimizing your site's navigation to better guide your visitors. Thanks for tuning in to this tutorial on reordering pages in the Wix menu. With this new organization, your website should become more appealing and easier to navigate. Feel free to explore more customization options to further enhance your site's functionality and aesthetic appeal. Until next time, keep creating and refining your digital space.